Do you want to delete your Facebook account? We'll show you how to permanently delete or deactivate your Facebook account on any phone. Open Facebook. In Facebook, go to the three-line menu. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then go to Settings. In Settings, go to Account Center. On this page, tap Manage Accounts. Tap Manage. Go to Deactivation or Deletion. Deactivate account will temporarily disable your profile, hide your info, and stop activity, but you can come back anytime by logging in again without losing your data. Delete account will permanently remove your profile, photos, messages, and data from Facebook. This cannot be undone, and you will lose access after the process is complete. If you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, make sure to select Delete Account. Then tap Continue. Facebook will ask why you are deleting your account. You can choose any option and continue. Select Continue with Deletion. Scroll down and tap Continue. Facebook will ask for your password, enter it and continue. At the end, Facebook may ask for confirmation again. Once you select Deletion, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. Got any problem? Share in the comments. Thanks for watching.